Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Team Knowledge channel, and in this video I will show you how you can fix incoming calls not showing on display problem in Realme Narzo 30 Pro or Narzo 30 Pro 5G. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for my latest videos. So to fix incoming calls not showing on display problem, first of all you just need to open settings. So just open call settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.